That's so beautiful.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I wanted to show you behind the scenes of me doing a delivery to a client. This was from a photo shoot I shot at their home, and I'm just giving them their, the canvas print and their book. And I just want you to just see the reaction, the interaction between them and myself. And also I just want to emphasize the importance of making your client happy. I know a lot of guys or a lot of persons focus on just trying to get likes and clicks on social media, but forgetting the most important thing is your client. Regardless of what people might say, like, or do, if your clients aren't happy, that's just not anything that you want for your business. Your client is your number one priority. Just keep that in mind. So before I ramble on anymore, guys, I just want to share this quick video with you guys. And I try not to cut out anything as much as possible. I just want you to hear the interaction, hear the response, and everything else in between. All right, guys, here we go. And we are rolling. Go for it, guys. All right, go for it.
Wow, this is so nice. Oh my God, Andre, seriously? Babe. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. That's so beautiful. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is real. I mean, seriously, wow. Look at your watch. Oh my God. Look at us. That's so nice. Oh my God. This is beautiful.
Love it.
Wow. Look at that. Oh, and look, perfect on the wall. See?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at my dress. I mean, like, seriously? That's so nice. Oh, okay, the little one. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I'm shocked right now. That's beautiful. Wow. This the album?
Yes.
Wait. What?
So it's magnetized. So you can strip off the plastic if you want
Okay.
at a later time.
What?
good.
Look at this box.
Yeah. So that ribbon is there just so you can easily take the. You can take it out of the plastic. Yep.
Look at my name.
So I left the plastic on there because a lot of times clients want to have that experience of just taking out the book or whatever packages that they have out the plastic. It's for them, so it's something very gratifying for them. So I just wanted to share that, guys. Share that with you guys.
Oh my God. Wow. This is really nice. Wow. This is beautiful. The pages are thick.
Yeah, thick. Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look how this is gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at my baby. Andre, this is beautiful. I love this. I just posted this picture yesterday. I love it. It was on a wedding anniversary yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Look at my baby, my chocolate dumpling. Aww. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. This is one of my favorites. This one. Oh man, this is beautiful. Oh, this is my favorite one. I love that picture. Oh my God. He was at work and he had his phone. Tell me about what happened at work with the lady thought I was an actress or something. Well, he'll blurt it out. he had his phone. He was showing one of the nurses because he works in a hospital, and they were looking. She was like, "Who's that lady?" He's like, "That's my wife." She thought it was some sort of actress because the pictures were so like, you know, amazing.
This is a doctor. She look at me. She look at the picture. She look at me. Like that's not real.
Like that's your wife.
Yeah.
Oh
That's
my
real. It's real,
God! Like this. Hands down, it's
Yeah.
beautiful. Are you kidding me? This is This right here, I love this picture. I don't know why I didn't make that one bigger. This one is beautiful. That picture's so nice. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I mean, the quality of these pictures are amazing. Amazing. Andre, you the man.
Thank
I
you.
promise you, you the man.
Thank you.
Really
thank you.
good. Look at
Thank you.
this.
Yes, thank you guys.
Aw, beautiful. Aw, thank you so much.
I'll just ask one question. So one question, just tell me about your experience.
Amazing.
Just working with me.
Just one word? I can't just express
Words.
it in one
You can put it in several words.
Amazing, professional, very attentive. You really know what you're doing. You made us feel so comfortable because I was so nervous. I mean, hands down, top 5. I would definitely, absolutely use you again all the time. We're gonna do pictures. You're gonna be our photographer from now
You're the
on.
best, man.
I
You're the
mean,
best.
come on. The work
Thank you.
speaks for itself. I don't even have to say anything.
Thank you
It's
so much.
amazing.
You're the best.
Thank you
You
guys.
did an amazing job.
Thank you.
Hands down.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
guys.
Thank you. Really, you know, you did such a good job. Such a
Thank
good
you.
job. Thank you so much. Seriously.
Remember to have the ribbon on the. Okay, have it. Okay, good. Yeah.
This is beautiful. Look at I need to find a place to put this, like, as a showcase.
Of course.
This is amazing. Wow.
Thank you
Beautiful.
guys.
Look at, it's like a picture in itself.
There
Look
you
at
go.
that.
That's the idea.
That is so beautiful. Like, look at that, babe. I gotta find a place for this.
Awesome.
Aw, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
I loved it. Wow. Now, Daddy, you gotta hang this up.
All right. Awesome.
Thank you. Oh
Thank
my
you.
God.
All right, guys. So as you can see there, the experience, for them was just out of this world, and that's the one beautiful thing about, being a photographer, videographer, whomever you are. You want to make sure that your clients at the end of the day are happy, and they're happy with what you do. And it's not just about taking the picture or doing a video. It's more about the experience. And, here she mentioned it, that how attentive I was to her, because the one thing, especially when it comes on to your client, you want to make sure you pay attention to them. Ask them certain questions about them. You know what I'm saying? Make the shoot about them, not about you. I know a lot of guys tend to just want to, the most important thing, I want to make sure I build my portfolio. My portfolio is this and my portfolio is that. Yes, that's important, but at the end of the day, your client, the persons that you're trying to get as a client, they are the most important thing, and I can't stress that enough. I just wanted to share this with you guys, and also just making you guys understand the importance of how it is to make your clients happy. And if you guys did enjoy that video, guys, as usual, just smash that like button, and if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. All right, so you guys just take care, be safe, peace.